Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we showed you how to add the Elegant Themes icons to your menu. Elegant Themes is bundled with the Divi theme, which I happen to be using here. It's awesome. If you want to take it for a test drive, you can do so from my affiliate link below this video. But what we're going to do today is use a plugin to do the same thing, and you can do this on any WordPress theme, so whatever theme you have, this should work with it. And this is thanks to a comment I got on my last video saying this is easier. Well, it is pretty easy, but you still have to use a bit of CSS for doing the customization. And also, if you can avoid adding another plugin to your site, it's always a good idea, because it just, every little plugin you add just slows it down a bit. But this is pretty lightweight. And the plugin that we're going to use today is absolutely free. It's called Menu Icons by Themile. I'll put this link down below, but you can install it directly from your plugins page. So if you were to go to your plugins page, Appearance, Plugins, I've already got mine installed here. But if you don't, just hit the Add New button. And in the search plugins, just type Menu Icons. And there it is, Menu Icons by Themile. And mine's already active. Yours will say install now. So install it, activate it. Like I say, it's pretty lightweight, so it shouldn't slow your site down much. Once that's installed, let's go to a menu and create what we want to. So you go to Appearance and Menus. Select the menu you want to use. I'm going to use my primary menu right here. Now, when you've got your plugin installed and activated, let's open up one of these menu items here. You're now going to see Icon Select right here under the navigation label. Just left click on the select and it'll show you all their available icons. There's some nice icons here. It's pretty useful actually. And there's a little search box, so I want a home icon. There's one. Let's just add that. Now you can choose to hide the label, that's the word that says home. You can have it before or after. Vertically aligned middle, you can have it up, top, text top, baseline, text bottom. Get some nice effects that way. And you can adjust the font size here. Now underneath it says, please look, the actual look of the icons on the front end will also be affected by the style of your active theme. So it's sort of taking it from your theme, but you can add your own custom CSS to customize it how you like. So we'll do that. So we've added that first one. Let's just quickly rinse and repeat for the next ones. Select. Clear that. And let's just grab any old one. And the next one, I guess we want some kind of tool icon for this icon. Use that little spanner thing there, or wrench. And the last one, got some handy little social media icons there as well. I'll just put a cloud in, why not? Okay, now once you've put your icons in there, just save the menu. Let's go back to our site. Here's one that I tried earlier. Get rid of that. And refresh. Now we've saved our menu. And there we have it. There's those little icons appeared just there. Those are great. Not real interesting, but certainly works, gets the job done. If you want to style them a bit more, it's pretty easy. We're going to use a bit of custom CSS again. I'm using Google Chrome here with the great Chrome Inspector. So let's just right click on one of these icons and go down to Inspect. And let's manipulate it the way we want to. So here we are. Menu item, i.mi. Okay, so let's add something. Let's give it a color. Say blue. Don't particularly want to make it any bigger. Let's give it a background color as well. I'll tell you what, let's get this color up here. See what this color is. Top header. I'm going to copy that color. Sweet. Let's go back to our icons. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a background color and a bit of padding like I did in the other example. So we're on our icons. Okay, so that's the color I put in just there. I'm going to change that in a moment. Let's say background. And I'll paste in that hex color I just got. So you can see it's added a background there. Let's give it a little bit more space. Add another one. I'm just left clicking after the last entry to add a new one. And we'll give it a bit of padding. Say 6 pixels, something like that. That's made it a little bit bigger there. Let's change that blue to a white. Or hashtag FFF if you prefer. Fantastic. Now I think I want to make those round. And obviously you do exactly what you want to do. I'm just demonstrating how you can customize this if you need to. So we'll say border radius. And we'll give it 50% to make it round. There we go. That'll work for me. Now we need to make this permanent because in the Chrome Inspector, once I refresh the page, that'll all disappear. So I'm going to copy everything that I did. I don't need any of the other stuff. Copy that. And if I demonstrate, if I refresh this now, those revert to how they were. To make it permanent, let's go to our theme customizer. Most WordPress themes nowadays have a customizer. It'll be either in appearance, customize, or if you've got a theme going on, they'll have a theme customizer. Okay, once that's open, I'm going to go down. My particular theme has the additional CSS right on the bottom here. I'm going to go in there. I'm just going to paste in that code that I copied. There it is. Let's just tidy that up a bit. You can give it a title if you wish to make it easier to find. And what I need to do, I've got an opening curly bracket there because I only copied it partially. We want to make sure we put a closing curly bracket on there. And hit the publish button. Now that code's written into our theme. Let's go back to the page, close out the inspector. When I refresh, those icons should be customized. And there you have it. Like I say, this will work with any WordPress theme pretty much that allows you to write custom CSS, which as far as I know is all of them nowadays. There's always an exception to the rules. If you don't want to code like I did in our last video with the elegant themes icon, this is a neat little option, and thanks for that comment. Once again, that was menu icons by Themeisle. I'll put this down below. Really easy, lightweight plugin, gets the job done. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.